Welcome to a session of Google Web Designer tutorial. So in this tutorial, we will try to link two pages up. Now, in the context of your assignment, you most likely will have a full animation being split up into portions. And you will assign scenes to each and every member of your group. So one person will be handling scene 1, another will be handling scene 2, and so on. And they might have their work done in different pages. So after everything's done, you would like to link all this up. And this is what we will try to do today. So we will try to link P1 after the animation has played all the way to the end. Let's have a look. Play until the end. It should automatically link up to P2. Let's preview the content of animation 1 in P1. Alright, welcome. This is done by student 1. Let's replay this. Yep. And there should be another one over here. Preview. This work's done by student 2. So two different pages. How do we link them up? We'll try to do this in this tutorial. Close the preview tabs. Now, over here, we will insert an event. Add an event over here. And we will add a custom event. So once, let me just repeat this, at the events strip, events layer, we will add a event when it reaches the very end. And we want it to navigate to P2, the page 2, once it sees this little event here. So we'll add a custom. Say we link P2. Alright? So linking P2, what do we do? Okay, let's see. In the previous previous theory session, what we learned was we can use this location.replace to help us, right? So I'm going to copy this one. Copy this. Paste it in over here. So instead of being a URL, I will navigate to a page called 5_linking pages p2.html, the exact name. Alright, so I'm going to navigate to this page once it ends. So this is inserted over here. You can check the event being created at this events. See, link to P2. Alright, so we will save this. Try to save this. Once saved, you publish this work. Publish. Publish locally. And I'll need to publish this as well. So I'm going to publish this locally in this location. So once published, let's have a look. Once published, I should have a zip file. So this is the published file. Let's try to unzip it, extract. Okay, so this is the file. Next, I'm going to come over here, checking the unzip, checking this zip folder. We unzipped it. So we have index.html over here, and another one over here. So these are the two published files. Let's try to compile all of them into one. Let's put them over here. Yeah, just put them over here. This is from page 1. I'm going to copy this paste it in. Give this a name of 5 linking pages P1. Right. Next, let's come over here. Copy. Am I copying from the? Yeah, this is P2. So P2, I'm going to paste it in. So this will be 5 underscore linking pages P2. Okay. Now I'll try to play this, and you should see that the animation starts and it links to the other page. So in this way, you can compile all your work into a project. Okay. So all these different files in the end, they can be stringed together into a project in this manner. Let me repeat again. We are going to use this location.replace to navigate from one page to the other. All right? And the way we do this is by setting inside of P1, setting an event over here that explicitly navigates to P2 once it is finished, once it sees this point. Okay? So we will publish this and then give it a proper name, because it will inside of P1, it will try to navigate to that name that we've given, which is 5 underscore linking underscore pages underscore P2, this page. So it will come to this page. So please repeat this tutorial again if you don't really get it, because it's quite a bit of a work. Copying files from here to another place and stringing them together. Please make sure the most important thing that you should make sure is the name. Okay, the name should be done accordingly. If this is P2 here, 5 underscore linking underscore pages underscore P2, make sure it matches the one that you're linking to, which is this one, exactly the same name. All right. So that's it for this round. Thank you.